Hello friends, welcome to English Speaking PPP Practical Practice Platform, and I'm happy to inform you that this is not a video. Yes, this is a video call. I'm going to call you right now to your mobile and you will pick my video call and we will talk in the video call today. So I'm going to call you now. Please accept my call. Hello, how are you? I'm also doing well. Thank you for asking. And how about this video call? Am I clearly audible to you? So nice. I'm really very happy to talk to you like this on this video call. Yeah, so what are you doing now? So nice. Is anyone along with you now? Okay. I am talking with you on this video call. Cool. Are you feeling well while watching my videos? So, are you practicing right now? Indeed, I believe so. It is very easy to talk on video calls like this. I see. Having ambitious friends is really very important. That's good. So, what are you learning from my video today? You are right, yes. That is why I am preparing such videos. Yes, I am planning for such videos in future, in near future. Are you enjoying my videos? Oh, so nice to hear it. I'm really very happy to know this. Very soon. No, you are right. Exactly after this video, we are going to have Amina on call and you are going to talk with her on a video meeting, and I'm going to send you a Google Meet link. So please join my Telegram channel if you have not yet joined. I'm inviting you to join my Telegram group, or you can also join a WhatsApp group. Both of the links are in the description of this video. So please join there. I'm going to send you the Google Meet link there so you can directly join with them, and we are going to record the entire meeting and we will also publish it on YouTube on my channel. So be ready for that also. Let's check her intro first.
Hi, my name is Emina and I come from Serbia, which is a small country in Southeast Europe. I've been teaching English since 2017 and I worked with people of different ages, from kids to elderly. I have some hobbies. I love to travel. I love to meet new people, to listen to music, watch movies and TV shows. And of course, I love teaching English. If you come to my lesson, I will teach you correct grammar, vocabulary, and of course, natural English. So I hope to see you all very soon. Bye bye.
Yes, that's the big news. There is no such channel on YouTube ever, and you are going to speak with the foreigners. So it is very good thing for you, right? Uh, I understand. Actually, you are not very confident because you are not practicing. Yes, you are exactly right. That is the reality of India. There are many people around us who are learning English, but they are finding difficulties in speaking. I am going to create multiple videos on practical English speaking on my channel. So it is good for you to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to publish many other videos and I'm going to invite more and more foreigners on my channel and you are going to speak with them to improve your English. So this way your English will be improved. Sure. Please take your time. I'm holding. What plan? Wow. So your family is going to enjoy healthy homemade food today, right? Where? From YouTube? Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate your invitation, but actually I have a meeting after this call with my client. So I'll not be able to come, sorry. Of course, it is my duty now to complete you in English speaking. So don't worry about that. Okay, sure. I'm also going to end this call now. See you in the next video. Sure. Goodbye for now. Thank you.